Hello, so today we're talking about NCCER. NCCER, the National Center for Construction, Education, and Research, based down in Florida, your go-to place for craft skills in America. So it's an awesome organization. Kennedy and I partnered with NCCER a long time ago when we were first in the inception process. A lot of times we'll call it CCR just for short. So CCR was developed by craft professionals such as Corey and I to train the next generation. Corey and I are honored to set as SME. That means we are subject matter experts according to NCCER. So Corey is working with NCCER and the boilermakers. So Corey, we're fixing to go down for a large convention. We're going to rewrite to steer the Boilermakers, the textbook, the curriculum to the next generation for the next several years. So what do you think about this opportunity to work with that curriculum?
I'm extremely honored. I'm excited, and I'm looking forward to it for one. I hope I have what it takes to make it good down there.
Right. As a 16-year Boilermakers veteran, I'm sure Corey will. Kentucky Welding Institute is and always has been a blue card NCCER offering. So your blue card for NCCER is all your training from boilermaker to welding to pipe fitting to whatever craft you may else have outside of here. And we just became awarded the opportunity to earn or offer the silver card. So the silver card is for the boilermaker, the pipe fitter, or some other craft certifications. And we are now a gold card NCCER certification school for the crane operations or the crane rigger and crane signal person. So very few places are you going to find that can offer you all three: your blue card for training, your silver card for your certifications in some of your crafts, and your gold card as well. So sitting on that welder SME curriculum, we're going to start reviewing that. So it's a lot of big things to come up through NCCER, and Corey and I are honored to set as subject matter experts for the National Center for Construction, Education, and Research.